Birkenstock, the iconic German footwear brand, has been synonymous with comfort for centuries. Once dismissed as orthopedic essentials for the practically minded, these sandals have undergone a remarkable transformation. They have evolved into a global fashion statement. From European sidewalks to celebrity wardrobes, Birkenstocks have stomped their way into the mainstream. But can it ever be considered art? Now, the German legal system has delivered a rather unceremonial verdict. Germany's Federal Court of Justice has ruled that while Birkenstocks may be everywhere, they don't qualify as applied art under copyright law. This decision comes after the shoemaker took legal action against 3 competitors. They are 2 German retailers, namely Chibo, Shoe.com, and the Danish brand Bestseller. Birkenstock accuses these brands of selling look-alike sandals. Birkenstock's tradition of shoemaking goes back reportedly to 1774. They argued that its signature design of wide straps, big buckles, and all was a creative masterpiece which was worthy of the same protection as a Le Corbusier chair or a Porsche 356. Or lighting design by the Bauhaus art movement. Now, the company requested an injunction to stop the 3 companies from making copycat sandals. Birkenstock also wanted the companies to recall their existing products and destroy those which are already on the shelves. The case wound its way through the legal system. A regional court in Cologne initially sided with Birkenstock. The court deemed its design a work of applied art. However, the higher regional court of Cologne overturned that ruling. It argued that there was no significant artistic achievement in the brand's utilitarian aesthetic. When the case reached Germany's highest civil court, the Federal Court of Justice, it delivered the final blow. The design of Birkenstock sandals is dictated by functionality and not artistic expression. According to the ruling, a product cannot be copyrighted if its design is primarily determined by technical requirements or practical constraints. Now, the other question that comes to mind is why Birkenstock wanted artistic protection. According to the laws followed in Germany, the works of art get longer-lasting intellectual property protection, while this is comparatively lower than the consumer products. Now, the court's decision places Birkenstocks firmly in the realm of well-crafted consumer goods, rather than museum-worthy masterpieces. While this may be a legal setback for the brand, it does little to diminish its cultural cachet. Over the years, Birkenstocks have been spotted everywhere. From Katy Perry to Britney Spears, everyone loves a pair. The footwear even played a pivotal role in 2023's Greta Gerwig directorial Barbie. The film's lead character, Margot Robbie, in a scene, swaps her stilettos for a pair of pink Birks in a moment of liberated comfort. So while the courts may not see Birkenstock as art, the fashion world and loyal customers beg to differ. One thing is clear, Birkenstocks are not going anywhere. And let's be honest, in the grand debate of art versus comfort, most of us would pick happy feet over museum walls any day.
Merci beaucoup. Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Namaste, Mr. President.
Bharat Kelogon, Komeri Namaste.
How many people generally follow you in interviews?
Typically in a month we have viewers up to 150 million, that's more than twice the population of France. And in the last 2 years we had 3 billion viewers. So I say, Laurent, this is your chance to be famous. You're on Firstpost. One word to describe your equation with Prime Minister Modi.
Amitié.
As India and France work together, are you creating a new era of non-alignment in the technology space?
India is a training superpower. 1 million engineers a year, more than all of Europe and the US combined. So we have that partnership. We have a partnership on the environment and the economy. We also have civilian nuclear programs, and that is something we've developed far beyond the France-India relationship. So we want to work together on AI.
And then comes China with its deep sea creating models at a fraction of the cost. Did that innovation take you by surprise? Did that breakthrough make you sit up and think, what did the Chinese do and how?
But what did DeepSeek do? They took everything that was already available from the last AI model and then they recalibrated it.
So are you going to ban Chinese AI in France?
So we don't have this American approach of banning tech because of where it comes from.